Hello kids, welcome to another new video. Today we are going to learn English alphabet from A to Z with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's start with colors. Orange color, sky blue color, brown color, green color, light green color, black color, yellow color, red color, mint color, blue color and violet color. Let's start. Sky blue color. A for anaconda. Violet color. B for brinjal. Orange color. C for coconut. Green color. D for draw. Brown color. E for elephant. Pink color. F for fairy. Light green color. G for grape. Mint color. H for hair. Yellow color. I for ice cream. Black color. J for jam. Blue color. K for king. Red color. L for lamp. Sky blue color. M for man. Violet color. N for nest. Orange color. O for onion. Green color. P for pilot. Brown color. Q for quiet. Pink color. R for ring. Light green color. S for snow. Mint color. T for teeth. Yellow color. U for union. Black color. V for violin. Blue color. W for white. Red color. X for Xmas tree. Sky blue color. Y for yard. Violet color. Z for zoom. Let's again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Keep watching for next video. Thank you.